Did you know having a will could still leave your family tied up in court, facing delays, stress, and huge expenses? You've worked hard your entire life to build something for your family. You want it to be a blessing, not a burden. But what if the very tool you're relying on, a will, isn't enough to protect them from court battles, delays, and expenses? The truth is, many families find themselves trapped in the painful process of probate, even with a will in place. You deserve to know the facts, and in this video, I'll share how to protect your loved ones and make sure your wishes are carried out without the court's interference. Stay with me, because what we're about to uncover could save your family from unnecessary heartbreak. Probate is more than a process. From personal experience, I know it's a nightmare. Picture this: your family grieving your loss, only to be met with lawyers, courtrooms, and months of waiting. Probate in Arkansas is slow, expensive, and public. Every detail of probate, your estate, your assets, and even your family's inheritance is laid bare for the public to see. The cost alone can drain up to 6% of everything you've worked for, leaving your loved ones with far less than you wanted them to be. It's the kind of pain no family should have to face. I'm Gary DeWitt, the founder of DeWitt & Daniels. I spent years helping families avoid the probate trap. I've seen the difference the right estate plan can make. A will alone doesn't avoid probate. A will is actually a set of instructions for the court. The court oversees the entire process, from validating the will to handing out what there is. This takes time and costs money. And during that, your family won't have access to your estate until the court is done. Probate can devastate families emotionally and financially. It's public, exposing private family matters. It creates delays, keeping loved ones from their inheritance when they might need it the most, and it drains money from your estate through fees and legal costs. The better alternatives include tools like trust, beneficiary designations, and transfer on death deeds. These options allow your assets to bypass probate, so your family receives them quickly, privately, and without extra cost. Choosing alternatives, like a revocable living trust, gives you control. Your assets go where you want, when you want, how you want. It keeps your family out of court, saves them time and money. They won't have to endure the stress or public exposure of probate. Most importantly, it gives you peace of mind, knowing you're protecting their future. Many people think that having a will means their estate will avoid probate. It just isn't true. Other people assume only the wealthy need planning or probate avoidance tools. In reality, anyone who owns a home, a car, or even a bank account can benefit from these strategies. Start by making a list of all your assets, everything you own. Look at which ones already have named beneficiaries or can be set up with transfer on death options. Then consult an estate planning professional to see how a trust can work for you. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your family from the stress of probate and make sure your wishes are honored. See the description or comments to get in touch now.